Yeah. Don't look to my wife. Don't look to my girlfriend. I'll kill you.
What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
Hey, yeah, wait.
Oh God, it's like a joke. Like they're like children. Grow up. Next.
Possessive.
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 You know this? You know this.
I know this, yeah.
Okay. Would you consider yourself a possessive person?
I know this. Yeah. Positive person?
Not positive. Possessive. Yeah,
What does
mine. Mine. They're all mine. This is my woman. Nobody look at her. My kids. It's my phone.
Possessive.
My
Yeah.
Like this. Okay. Yeah,
exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Like something that I have. I own. I own this.
Yes.
How can I use it, for example?
But like I just said, do you consider yourself a possessive person? Or you can say that man was very possessive over his girlfriend. You know how, especially like Middle Eastern men.
Yeah.
My woman, you look at her, I'll kill you.
I'll kill you.
Yeah. Did you just look at my woman? Like, and
but the woman like this stuff, you know?
No, which woman likes this stuff? Young women maybe because they're stupid, but women don't like this stuff.
Oh, my man feels jealous about me.
No, after a while, that's not cute anymore. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I got you. Like for example, not like not much. Like I will kill you because you just looked my wife now. It's normal. She's a human and you're a human, so it's okay. Take a look and then go.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but like I said, guys on this side of the world, like Turkish guys, I can't.
Yeah, don't look to my wife. Don't look to my girlfriend. I'll kill you.
What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
Hey, yeah, wait.
Oh God, it's like a joke. Like they're like children. Grow up.
In America, there is no.
No, there is
these habits.
Yeah, not so extreme.